Hey there, welcome back. So in this video we're going to look at Reframer in Optimal Workshop. So coming back into Optimal, I guess if we're at the dashboard stage, you click through onto Studies and then we're going to click on to Reframer. So what we get here is a pop-up to create a new study. So the study type is Reframer and let's just give it a name. And if you had some folders created within Optimal Workshop, you can select them here. So I'm going to click on Create Study. Okay, so here on the left, we've got study details. We've got some study objectives. So for example, let's say increase the conversion rate on the website checkout. Any reference links, so I guess you can add in useful material, prototypes, other things that you want to pop in there. And then the research method. So are you going to be doing customer interviews, contextual inquiry, stakeholder interviews, usability testing, or other? So for this example, I'm just going to click on usability testing. So now that's done, it's saying let's set up some tasks. So let's click OK, and now we're on to the Tasks tab. So here is where you would list out the different tasks that you're going to cover with the user. Let's add in an example. So which devices do you usually use for online shopping? That could be a question, or one of the questions that you ask in your usability tests. So I'm going to populate the page with some more tasks just so you can see what it looks like. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, welcome back. So as you can see, I've just added in a few example tasks. You can use your mouse here. If you click and drag, you can actually move the tasks up and down in a different order. And you can also add task descriptions in there as well, maybe to add a bit more context and explanation for you. So going back up to the top, you can add tasks here. You can actually print them as well. We've got a useful guide here, Usability Testing 101. So if you click that, it opens in a tab, and Optimal Workshop have given us a really detailed way of planning your research, recruiting participants, and just some useful tips on how to use Reframer. So I'd encourage you to go and check that out. Let's go into the next tab. So into tags. So under the tags heading, this is where we can add in specific tags to different observations during the sessions that you have with your users. So let me do an example for you. So here where we've got tag group 1, I'm just going to edit that. So the group name, let's say this is to do with the checkout flow. You can add a description as well. You can add a color, and it's given us some details here. Apply the group color to existing tags and tags that you add from other groups, which is what I'm going to go with. So click on update. So this is called checkout flow. So I'm just going to add in a couple of tags here to the checkout flow. Okay, welcome back. So I've added in some tag groups just as some examples. So I've got the checkout flow, I've got devices, and I've got time of day. So you get the idea of you can create tags in different groups, and actually when you come to looking at your findings from the usability tests, you can use these tags and tag them across all the different participants. And we'll show you a little bit later, I guess in the analysis stage, how that makes it easier to find trends. So moving on to the next tab. Study members, you can add guest note takers in here, so you can invite people via email. And then we've got analysis here, which we can see when the study was created, but we have no observations, no themes, and we've got 8 tags. So in the next video, we'll look at adding some sessions and digging a little bit deeper into Reframer. So thanks for getting to the end of this video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.